the teeth line up with the grooves, and whoop, it just pushed right on. So now I get my lock plate depressor. Now I've screwed it all the way down until it's flush with the center shaft. I'm going to tighten up this nut and push the lock plate down. Whoops. I push it all the way down until there's a fair amount of pressure there, so I know I'm all the way down. Now you just gotta push that snap ring down in its groove. Once that snap ring's down in its groove, take the lock plate depressor back off. I usually back the nut all the way off, just that way it's ready to go the next time. Put the little annoying piece of plastic back on. There's a short split, and a long split. The long split fits onto the groove that does not have the slot for the screwdriver. If this was anybody else's car, and if you weren't watching me, I wouldn't have put that back on. Slide your steering wheel back on. Remember, you want to line up that groove and that groove. Put your nut back on. Yeah, I put it on pretty tight. I tighten it up until my ears pop. Then I go, okay, that's done. Little safety snap ring. Remember to put that on if you can, if it's still there. That will keep the if that big nut you just tightened up ever loosens up, that snap ring will keep the nut from coming off so far that the steering wheel will fall off into your lap. Put your little spring back in. Your spring-loaded pin, remember, it was originally at 12 o'clock. You pushed it in, depressed it, and rotated it until about the 10 o'clock position. So we're going to start at the 10 o'clock position, maybe. Oops, I put the spring in the wrong hole. I put it in the hole for the pulling bolts. Starting at about the 10 o'clock position, push it in. Fat fingers rotate it to the 12 o'clock position. Now put our horn button back on. This is probably going to honk while you're doing it. It's got 3 fingers. It's got 3 slots. Line the fingers back up. All done. Now you can stick your brand new key in your brand new lock and drive away. Alright, thank you everybody, and good night. Hit it.